Are you over 50 and struggling to regain strength? You're not alone. Many people experience a decline in physical strength as they age, but the good news is that it's never too late to start rebuilding. In this video, we'll show you only 3 bodyweight exercises that have been proven to help you regain strength after 50. These exercises are easy to follow, require no equipment, and can be done from the comfort of your own home. Say goodbye to feeling weak and hello to a stronger, healthier you. Watch until the end to learn how to incorporate these exercises into your daily routine and start seeing results in no time. Join me in the challenge of becoming stronger after 50 with just 3 bodyweight exercises. Let's see if this really works. Our bodies change as we age, impacting our overall health, strength, and flexibility. The ability to carry out everyday tasks with ease and the reduction of injury risk are directly influenced by how well we maintain our physical strength. Maintaining or regaining strength becomes a significant challenge for many people over the age of 50. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia, which starts as early as our 30s and accelerates around the age of 50. Additionally, many of us adopt a more sedentary lifestyle, which can further accelerate muscle loss and decrease strength. It can be overwhelming to know where to start, especially if you haven't worked out for a long time. The fear of injury or not seeing immediate results can be discouraging. Plus, the uncertainty about which exercises are safe and beneficial for those over 50 is a common concern. The great news is that you can begin without expensive equipment or a gym membership. I found that push-ups, squats, and planks are the 3 most effective bodyweight exercises for regaining strength after 50. Push-ups are excellent for strengthening the upper body, particularly your triceps, shoulders, and chest. Start in a plank position, hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart, and lower your body until your chest almost touches the floor. Squats, on the other hand, are a powerful lower body exercise, targeting your quadriceps, hamstrings, and glutes. Keep a straight back, knees behind your toes, and lower yourself as if you're sitting back into a chair. Lastly, the plank is fantastic for building core strength and also works your shoulders, back, and glutes. Hold a straight line from head to heels, maintaining your position rather than lowering your body. What makes these exercises so beneficial is that they are cost-effective, require no equipment, and are adaptable to various fitness levels. Research shows that bodyweight exercises can significantly improve muscle mass and strength in older adults. Studies have even demonstrated that people in their 70s and beyond can not only regain muscle mass, but also increase their daily activities and physical performance. Numerous success stories from individuals over 50 reveal that adding bodyweight exercises to their routines has improved their strength, mobility, and overall health. Your strength and suggestions for my future videos, feel free to ask. Your feedback helps me create content that truly supports your fitness journey. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Bodyweight, for more fitness tips, workouts, and motivational content designed specifically for those over 50. I want to hear from you. What do you want to see next? Whether it's specific exercises, health tips, or advice on maintaining strength as we age, I'm here to help you on this journey. Together, we can build a stronger, healthier future.